wish you all a very happy new year. And yes, you all need an applause because coming in this winter all the way has been difficult. Well, before there can't be any lamp lighting, which is usually the case because they don't allow here the lamp. So anyway, most of you know about Legends of India. It's a society promoting Indian art forms for the last 2 decades. We have had the opportunity to have performance of Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Pandit Jasraj, Shiv Kumar Sharma, Madam Shobna Ji, and many others during these last 2 decades. We started the Baithaks series in 2016, and it was not very planned. We started at Tihar Jail for the inmates of Tihar Jail, and later then we signed up with Sangeet Natak Academy, and we have been organizing Baithaks. The idea is to promote young artists, to promote the lesser known artists across the country. Today, this Baithak again will have some surprises. We are presenting a child prodigy, we are presenting harmonium, which is known as an accompanying instrument to the mainstream. Pandit Jyoti Go is here. So before we do all that, may I please request Shobna Ji up on stage so that our Amitabh Mukherjee, one of our patrons, and Mr. Jyoti Go from Indradhanush would like to felicitate you.
Sir.
I meet Shobnaji always for giving flowers.
And I need him to.
I would now. I would request Shobna Ji.
Very, very happy, peaceful, prosperous 2025. Peaceful is important because there's a lot of problems around the world, everywhere, so we need to bring in peace. And what better way than the world of music and dance. And I would like to congratulate Deepanji, whom I've known for several decades now, for the great work that he's been doing. Anyway, I'm not surprised. Bengalis are like that. And they're very artistic. No, but we need you. And because he has been absolutely steadfast in his devotion to expanding, spreading the awareness of our great musical heritage. When I say music, which includes dance and everything. So, and it has been not an easy task for him. One is aware of it, because particularly in this age of globalization and with so many distractions around, and also the different aspirations of a lot of people, the common man, I think kind of culture training that used to be there, existing in the older homes, have given way to something else. And therefore, we find that we need patrons and people like Deepanji around, who is at least making the effort of trying to bring this culture back into the awareness, first of all, the awareness of our people, of our own rich heritage. And then once the seed is sown, then hopefully it will take roots so that it it starts growing into a beautiful plant. And he's had presented the artists of all genres, of all calibers, and it's wonderful to see this Betek series also that he started, and I'm looking forward to seeing the young artists. We have no dearth. India has no dearth of talents, and particularly as far as our classic music and dance is concerned, performing arts is concerned, it is a question of there are artists, you need rasikas, but also rasikas and artists need somebody to present them. So it's a three-pronged approach, and therefore we have people like Dipanji, then you have the rasikas, all of you are there, as well as the artists are there. And it is every person has to give way to another one. We have so many different young artists who were young day before yesterday and who are great artists of today. And so today's young artists will be the great artists of tomorrow. And we have to, and also as far as your instrument is concerned, I'm so, because it is a wonderful instrument, and it has not got its due place, recognition, and it's high time that we all even look towards it and see the amazing capacity it has, and in its playing, and this whole genre of harmonium playing is no less than any other instrument. So it's wonderful once again for all of us. It'll be a treat to hear solo harmonium today, and once again, congratulations to each one of you who are here. Congratulations to all the artists of the evening, and once again, a very happy New Year. Thank you.
And I was at Shriram Center, and Shobhaji performed solo for 70 minutes.
The students were celebrating the entry into the 70th. आजकल जो है ना, एक शब्द हमने सुन लिया, सीख लिया, अमृत काल. तो मेरी भी अमृत काल की शुरुआत.
अमृत महोत्सव.
जी.
अमृत महोत्सव.
हाँ, जी. अब वो इस साल जो है उसका समापन होगा.
9 years old. So please welcome Shaisha. National Tabla champion. She promises, I spoke to her recently, a while ago, and she promises to enchant us with a little finger. Accompanying Shaisha on the harmonium is Shri Ajay Mishra, an artist and talent with all in. Ajay has performed across the country with speakmaking, besides performing at the Malhar Utsav. So over to you, Shaisha.
Wonderful. All the best.
बजा रही हूँ जो मेरे गुरु भैया श्री विविश पाठक जी की रचना है। तदी धा तदी तदी धा तकदी नगद तदगद तदी तदी धा तदी धा तदी धा मेरे दादा गुरुजी उस्ताद अहमद जंग थिरकवा साहब का एक टुकड़ा कमाली चक्रधार पढ़न जो मेरे गुरुजी पंडित विनोद पाठक जी का है धिरिड़ु तकधा 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 तगिन दिद तगिन दादा करता 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 ददरता कद ददरता दादा कद ददरता दादा कद ददरता दादा खान साहब का एक हिरन का पढ़ना जो बनारस घराना का है और पंडित बैजनाथ मिश्रा जी का है। तथा दरगत दरगत
Thank you, Beta. Thank you.